Hello class, welcome back. Today we will be adding fractions with unlike denominators. In this lesson we will be combining a lot of what we learned in the past 2 weeks. To add fractions with unlike denominators, the first thing we need to do is rewrite them as equivalent fractions with like denominators. Once we do that step, we add our fractions, and then simplify if we need to. As you can see, the first step is what we did in week 2. And adding fractions is what we did in week 1. Let's work on the problem 2/4 plus 2/5 to see these steps in action. The first thing we do is rewrite them as equivalent fractions with like denominators. We'll start by finding the least common multiple of 4 and 5. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. The multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. The least common multiple for both denominators is 20. Now we will rewrite our fractions so that they have a denominator of 20. I know that 4 times 5 is 20, so I would multiply 2/4 by 5 over 5. That would give me 10 over 20. Now let's do the same thing for 2/5. I know that 5 times 4 is 20, so I would multiply 2/5 by 4 over 4 to get 8 over 20. We have our equivalent fractions with like denominators. Our problem can now be rewritten as 10 over 20 plus 8 over 20. Now we add 10 over 20 plus 8 over 20. That is 18 over 20. Our final step is to simplify if we need to. I know that both 18 and 20 can be divided by 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9, and 20 divided by 2 is 10. This means that our fraction is simplified as 9 over 10. Let's go over the steps one more time. First, you rewrite your fractions as equivalent fractions with like denominators. Then you add your fractions. Finally, you simplify if you need to. Thank you for coming, and have a good day.